So what?
That you got a strike.
Oh, yeah, I got my first strike of the game.
Who's that guy up there that they keep showing on the TV? Who's he? Like, why are they showing random
Instead of you,
people?
they should have like the little video.
Yeah, you should be showing yourself. Alright, how much does it cost to bowl here?
$16.99.
$16.99, and you get to bowl all night. Until 3 o'clock in the morning?
Like 11.
11 when they close.
Sunday.
Sunday. It's on Sunday. So it's $17 per person? That's really expensive.
I agree.
But a lot of people are here, so it's always packed. And tonight is less packed because of the rain. But it's still packed. Alright, go ahead. So this is a Bowlero. It used to be AMF, but Bowlero has been working hard ever since COVID to buy up all the old bowling alleys across the country, and this is one of them. First thing Bowlero does when it comes in and takes over an existing bowling alley is fire a bunch of the staff and raise the prices. Yay! That was good. You just only had one.
It's just an alcoholic.
So they've got really loud, horrible music playing all night. And they have $10 beers.
It's like a 16 ounce.
And $10
18
drinks.
ounce.
Bowlero has stated it wants to be the Starbucks of bowling, and since 2020 it has quickly purchased more than 350 bowling alleys that have fallen on hard times. Bowlero is currently the largest bowling company in the world, and unlike traditional mom-and-pop shops who loved the sport of bowling, Bowlero is interested in only one thing, and that's making money. But they're not making money in the traditional sense. In fact, they have amassed a ton of debt since they started their takeover. It's expensive to buy up all these bowling alleys, so Bowlero is backed by a private equity firm. In 2021, they listed themselves on the New York Stock Exchange, but don't go out and buy their stock anytime soon.
Alright, I'm going over here. You can play a game.
In their quest to become a monopoly, Bowlero is amassing a ton of debt. Instead of using their stock revenues to invest in the business, they are taking the money and paying dividends and buying back shares so that their CEO and shareholders can make money. And industry leaders are warning against buying Bowlero stock as a whole. But apart from their shady business practices, the worst thing that Bowlero has done for bowling is watering down America's favorite pastime. Bowling was once a serious sport with leagues, stats, and a Hall of Fame. In 2019, Bowlero purchased the PBA, the Professional Bowlers Association, just to let it all go to hell by failing to keep up stats and records.
17 isn't bad, I guess, when Friday night is $22.99. Alright, go ahead. Let me see.
Rob, every time.
So I'm still learning. I haven't really bowled very much since I was a child, and well, you can tell. Drew, on the other hand, bowled in a league in his 20s, so he's pretty good at bowling. And the other guy that we were with he's also very good at bowling. He bowls pretty much every Sunday night. You can see he kind of bowls underhanded. He doesn't put his fingers in the hole, and he uses a lot of spin. And look, it works for him. He got a strike. Bowlers like him are dedicated, coming up here weekly, spending their money playing the game. But Bowlero isn't interested in maintaining the culture of bowling. In fact, CEO Tom Shannon is known for saying he doesn't take bowling seriously and doesn't think anyone else does either. How would you want to back a company that doesn't even take their own industry seriously? Bowlero has recently come under fire with the feds for their illegal hiring practices. Plaintiffs allege that employees were pushed out for being old or unattractive. Employees also told investigators about racially motivated hiring practices. Bowlero also instituted a policy that stated there would be no Timberland boots and backwards hats allowed. Many people citing this as a tactic to keep black people from bowling. Additional complaints cited that the CEO was discriminatory against pregnant employees because they were not attractive enough. In one 2-year span, over 300 managers were let go from Bowlero for not being attractive enough, or being too black, or pregnant. In fact, more than 70 former employees of Bowlero have filed complaints with the Equal Opportunity Employment Commission for discriminatory practices. And though it may sound like a lot of hate, I'm definitely not saying to quit bowling. I know that in many small towns, Bowlero may be your only option if you want to engage in the sport. I just want you to stay informed and try to support other small bowling businesses when you can. There's an excellent article entitled "Private Equity Firm Backed Bowlero is Ruining Bowling" that I will link below. Please give it a read. And if you found this video informative or you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps our channel. We really appreciate you spending your valuable time with us. Thanks for watching, and much love from the adventures of Drew and Amanda.